would like to welcome winning coach Leo Austria and the player of the game today, Jumar Fajardo. Welcome to the PDA Plus Room. And congratulations to San Miguel for winning in this very momentous and very historical game. And let me ask my question to Coach Leo. Coach Leo, it was a couple of times there was a very scary moments for you when Meralco looked like they figured out what to do to try to steal the lead from under you, but they were not able to do it. Was it a case of you dictating the pace, or was it a case of San Miguel being able to join or to catch up and speed up the pace to jive with the kind of speed that Meralco brings to the court?
Well, regarding the comeback of Meralco from first half to second half until the last quarter, they were able to cut the lead to 2. So that's a really scary moment for us. But because of the experience of the players, especially Jumar Fajardo and some of the third, and they know how to win, how to deal that kind of situation. And we know that this is a very historical game. And before the game, I told him this is a huge game for us. And besides that, so of course this is all Filipino, and we want to redeem ourselves from the last conference we got, and I'm so happy for them because from the start to finish, they didn't lose their composure, and then were able to dictate the tempo of the game.
All right, and one question for Jumar. Ito, that I will take advantage dahil special tayo ngayon. This is a very memorable game, not only for you, I'm sure, but sa mga fans mo at sa lahat ng miyembro ng PBA community. Seryoso tanong, Jumar, ilang beses mo naalala throughout the game na isa ka nga pala sa 50 of the greatest basketball players in the country?
Una-una, salamat po nila na enjoy sa game na po. Yun, di ko iniisip yung focus na sa game. Kung ano yung goal namin, tonight is yung manalo yung game kasi sabi nga ni coach, sabi nga ni Pops two games na natalo kami sunod sa kanila. So kailangan namin i-redeem na yung sarili namin. So yung goal namin sa finals this conference, so yung goal namin, so focusing sa goal. And then yun yung 50 greatest thankful ako doon, pero di ko inisip. Pero thank you very much.
Oh yeah, you really deserve it. Spectacular performance, 28 points, 10 rebounds, and 4 assists. Congratulations once again up there for the game. And over the floor now to any of your members of the press corps for your questions.
To both gentlemen, congratulations. Tonight was a retro team game, San Memorial Coliseum, retro jersey, some reaction lang dun sa yung tema ng game tonight.
Well, for me, nung dumating ako dito sa Rizal Memorial, talagang maraming memorable moments for me. Dahil in my amateur days, most of my games I played in Rizal Memorial. When I was in Lyceum, we won the championship in Rizal Memorial. And then in Masagana, we won 6 championships in the national seniors consecutive. That's why Rizal Memorial is really dear to me. That's why when I got here, I know where to go, and nagugusbam ako dahil parang reminiscing ganyan. And then that's why before this game, so I really wanted to win because there's something special in this place, and I'm so happy with the players because they didn't give up nung lumalamang kami at hinabol kami. But I'm expecting them not to do well because in practice it's very evident na they want to win. And that's the thing na we instill to the mind of the player na for us to win, so we have to work harder because there's a lot of teams that playing really well and catching up with the kind of talent they have. Nakaka-level up na sila. And this is an Filipino, it's not an easy game to win the team because you can see it naman yung first game talagang napakagagaling na ng mga team. But we have to step up to the next level for us to be competitive.
Junmar.
Siyempre nostalgic yung mga yan kasi napapanood ko yung mga ganong klase na games yung mga sa YouTube lang yung black and white pa yung mga camera. Pero yun, masaya kami na sana may mga games ulit na retro yung ano.
Coach, ano lang yung naging pag-uusap niyo after nung nakahapon yung Meralo ko? Ano lang yung pag-usapan niyo? Plan niyo ba talaga na dalhin yung bola kay Junmar after yung comeback kayo?
Yeah, usually I'm giving the time the players to realize it, but unfortunately during that time, they were able to make it and we're not making some shot. So I called a timeout and I told them so you know what to do. We should go to the high percentage shooting and we should have we don't settle for a good shot. We want to settle for a better shot or best shot. Fortunately, Wami and CJ was able to connect a lot from the perimeter, especially CJ dahil crucial yung mga tira niya nun yung hinahabol na kami. But of course, everybody alam naman nila na in the end game, we always go to our bread and butter, and that's the reason why our perimeter shooter talagang maganda yung ginawa nila because yun more at the post. So, give and take yan And slowly, they're realizing the importance of the system we're trying to run.
Coach, yung game no next week is against Magnolia. Parehong 2-0 and both teams something to prove after last conference na target pareho.
It will be a huge game for us in Magnolia, but I'm really worried about Magnolia because they're playing a lot better. You can see it naman in this first game. From start to finish, they're using a 6 big man. Okay, and we have only a 4. But we will see. But they're in top shape. And during our tune-up game, we're able to compete with them. And the result is, although we lost in the tune-up game, but we're so happy because we're able to level up to the kind of intensity they're displaying during that time. And you can see it naman in our game. And the first half talagang relentless yung defense nila. And I'm expecting na it will be an exciting game.
Junmar, meron ba yung moment ni Mr. Jimmy Napisada kanina yung binanggaran niya before the jump, before the start? Kumusta lang yung naging, nag-usap ba kayo?
Wala. Binanggalan niya ako. Siyempre, isa yung mga grades niya. So, and sila yung mga nilulook up ko. So, sila yung mga role models.
Kaya binanggalan ni Noblesada, tinitingnan niya kung talagang Iron Man pa rin siya. Ganyan, bumangga sa pader. So,
Uwi na nga po. Uwi na.
okay.
Wala na?
May memory ka rin ba ni Coach Jimmy, kay Jimmy Napisada?
Actually, nung retired na siya, sa mga 40 above, 50 above, nagkakalaro kami. And he's really a very brilliant player. He knows how to use his physical, gifted siya. And then, nung araw, basketball, hindi ka tulad ngayon talagang napapag-aralan yung mga skills. Nung araw talagang puso. And makikita mo, yung panggugulang na andun yung panggugulang, that means today, ang sinasabi doon, technique. Ganyan. So, ma-appreciate mo sila doon. Talagang pagka naglaro sila, makikita mo, diba? Nung araw, merong no harm, no foul. To the point nga, sometimes no blood, no foul. And walang pikunan. Yung mga player.
Junmar, last na lang. Yung after the game, nagkaano kayo ni Boy Cabao? Basta yung...
Well naman, si Coach Boy kasi nakalaban kasi natin siya sa Cebu. Siya yung head coach ng UB. So, may ano kami. Pero nagsama din. I mean, Hindi na kami pinagsama pero magkakilala kami. So, passion is kayo. Bate, pabate.
Sige, go.
Ate,
Ate.
Aos last day.
Pabate, mama, papa, little birthday. Si Lance, Kendra, Teresio, Kinkin, Attorney Stenson family, sa lahat ng mga sa mga supporter ng San Miguel, House Gaming, Kraken ng Parel, House of Kraken, Kraken ng J Car Wash, ano ba nakalimutan nyo? Salamat sa inyo lahat. God bless sa atin. Happy anniversary sa bigay.
Pwede rin ako.
Oo.
The Rodriguez family from Quezon, ano, they will be having a grand reunion coming from different places in the world. Enjoy your your time in Sariaya, Quezon. And then alam ko, marami naghihintay sa game na to. And keep on watching the PBA. And this is our main source of entertainment. And I know we're a basketball crazy nation. And then keep on supporting us.
Trades and needles and we're dealing right sa amin video. So, ayun, kamusta yung mga t-shirts or daily tayo.
Happy birthday to my daughter.
Congratulations, Coach Reyes, Junior Pardo. Happy 50th anniversary to the PTA. Good night, and see you around.
Bye.